Hi, the Indian markets, after remaining resilient for the entire week, has gone down on the last day, given into the global weakness and corrected significantly on this day. Overall, for the week, the Nifty has gone down by about 0.5%. After touching a high about 10,985, Nifty touched a low about 10,738 and closed the week by about 10,754 odd levels. The global markets, Dow and S&P, both have gone into a negative territory, gone into the bearish zone, primarily on account of increased concerns on global weakness, as well as the Fed decision to up the rates by about 25 basis points. So that has led to a significant correction in various markets, and so has it been in India. In the Indian markets, the indices that didn't do well for the week has been IT, which was down by about 4.3%, media, which was down by about 3.7%, while there has been a positive move on the global, on the Indian PSU banking sector. Government has announced a significant recapitalization, and hence the sector has gone up by about 1.8%, and metal indices have also gone up by about 1.6%. With regards to technicals, Nifty has formed a shooting star pattern on the weekly charts, couldn't sustain the upside. As well as on the daily charts, there has been a long bearish candlestick pattern. RSI has gone down to about 49 odd levels on the weekly charts, and MACD is still trading below the signal line. So we do expect the coming week to be volatile with a positive bias. In terms of the global markets, they are supposed to be remaining volatile, while the Indian markets, crude is playing a positive support for our markets. Globally, crude has gone down to about 53-54 odd levels, and hence it can support the Indian market. Overall, we would request you to remain stock specific, be selective, and trade with strict stop losses. The upside resistance is seen at about 10,985 odd levels, and the downside support is seen at about 10,550 odd levels. We would recommend you to exit on all rallies. So that's our outlook for the week on the Indian markets. In terms of our stock recommendations, we have a buy recommendation on Group Finance with the target price about 347 odd levels and a stop loss about 305 odd levels, signaling a gain of about 5%. The stock has breached the 200-day moving average on the upside, which was at about 298 odd levels. The RSI has also gone up to about 57 odd levels, and momentum indicators look quite positive. Our sell recommendation is on Z Entertainment. We have a target price of about 430 odd levels, stop loss at about 470 odd levels. Overall, the stock has been in a significant negative zone. We are recommending an overall gain of about 4%. The stock has breached the 200-day moving average on the downward direction, which was at about 490 odd levels. RSI is again weak at about 42 odd levels. It's formed a significant bearish chart on the weekly pattern, so we would recommend a sell. The other sell recommendation is on Graphite India. We have a target price of about 770 odd levels and a stop loss at 830 odd levels, signaling a gain of about 3%. This stock has again gone down at its 200-day moving average at about 844 odd levels and formed a significant bearish pattern on the weekly charts. So that's our recommendation for the week.